Tech Symposium is practically a project showcase for all engineering students. What they work on through both semesters, they're able to go off and show, what they're proud of.
Tech Symposium is a great opportunity for engineering students because it gives you a time for both hands-on experience with fabrication, problem solving and things like that, as well as networking.
You can also get exposure to developing your professional skills easier and learning how to present a project to students, faculty, and different audiences.
I learned a lot from this experience in participating in senior design, and one main thing is working well in a group and on a team out in industry. And in my future career, working on a team is super important, and our team has done really well throughout this whole project.
With the Tech Symposium and when you're doing your planning and your design, it helps to draw a lot of those concepts you learned in your earlier years and finally implement them and see how it translates to the real-world scenario and how you can utilize all of your knowledge to improve on something or make something great.